Hello everyone, today we are going to review and unbox a portable hard drive. This is a Western Digital's 2TB My Passport hard drive. Western Digital is most popular storage brand. This product is most useful and popular for PC and console gamer. When you open the box, you can see the hard drive wrapped in a plastic shield. It is very light and slim, that is why it is called a traveling passport hard disk. My Passport contain slim design, automatic backup, password protection, 256-bit ICE hardware encryption, up to 5 TB capacity, 3-year limited warranty. This is a 3.0 SATA cable. So that is all in this box. Let's check out its real performance. Now it's installing software automatically. You can sign in for backup all your data. Also, you can set a password for your security and configure your device system. This is a PKG file which size is 62.9 GB. Now, it's time to check the transfer speed. Thanks for watching.